If you're thinking about starting a merchant service business and you're about to pay someone just to get access, I want you to stop for a second because this video might save you thousands of dollars and years of frustration down the road. I want to explain something clearly, calmly, and honestly from real experience. Paying to get started in merchant services is one of the biggest mistakes new people make in this industry, and I'm saying that as someone who's been here for over 15 years, built real portfolios, runs teams, and earns over 6 figures a month in passive income from work I've done years ago. This isn't theory, this is real life experience. What's happening right now is that online funnels, influencers, and course sellers are turning a free, merit-based business into a pay-to-play cash grab. They're charging $10,000, $20,000, even $25,000 for access and some education to an industry that was never designed that way. And the people who get hurt are the exact people this industry should be helping. So let's ground this in reality. Merchant services is not an investment opportunity. An investment opportunity is when you put money in upfront and hope to earn a return based on that money, like real estate, franchises, or private equity. Merchant services is a business, and the income comes from your effort, your consistency, and your ability to help business owners, not from how much you paid to get in. Paying to start does not increase your odds of success. It does not improve your residuals, and it does not protect your future income. What actually determines success in this industry comes down to 3 pillars. If they aren't solid, nothing else matters. Pillar number 1 is protected lifetime residuals. Everyone says they pay lifetime residuals until they don't. Early in my career, I trusted an ISO, hit the ground running, and signed hundreds of merchants. Then I stepped away briefly, and one sentence in my sales rep agreement buried and erased everything. That was the day I learned the hard truth. Residual income only matters if they're actually protected. If your income can disappear because you slow down, change direction, or someone else changes the rules, you don't own a business, you're renting one. This pillar alone determines whether you build long-term wealth or just commission checks. Pillar number 2 is real sales and merchant support. You cannot fake this business. If you're serious about closing deals, keeping your merchants, and building confidence, you need real support behind you. I've closed more deals than I can count simply because I could call support while sitting with a merchant, get real answers instantly, and showcase to them exactly how well they'd be taken care of in terms of support. And that does 2 things. It helps you close, and it also builds immediate trust with the merchant that your support is solid. When support is slow, outsourced, or non-existent, guess who looks bad in the end? You do. And bad support is one of the fastest ways to lose accounts and burn your reputation. And if you lose accounts, you lose the residuals anyways. And pillar number 3 is honest service that protects your name. Low attrition doesn't come from tricks or scripts. It comes from placing your merchants with partners who actually care. If your provider hides fees, overpromises, or treats merchants like numbers, the merchant won't blame the ISO. They're going to blame you for signing them up. And once trust is broken, both the account and your credibility will be gone. You must place your merchants with an ISO that has unbeatable support, that answers the phone, that's not outsourced, and treats them VIP, because that's what your bloodline and your passive income is based on. When you lose an account because they're frustrated with support, you lose the residual income. Where you house your merchants is everything if you want long-term success. So now let's get into the truth about paying to get into this business. When someone charges you upfront to start, they've already made their money, whether you succeed or not. Real portfolio builders in this business, they don't charge for access. We make our money when you succeed. That alignment matters to you because you want partners that benefit when you win. Merchant services has always been free to enter. The opportunity is real, the income is real, but only if you avoid the traps. So I want to give you a clear direction here. If this video gave you clarity, here's what I ask you to do next. First of all, check the link in the description if you want to talk through starting the right way, choosing the right partner, or building something real without paying to play. Second, I ask that you support this mission that I'm on. I'm spending my own time and money to expose what's happening in the industry, and the way that you can help me is simple. Like the video, drop a comment with your thoughts on paying to get started in this business, and share this with someone if they're considering paying to play. Tell me, Do you think people should have to pay to enter this industry, or should it be earned? I read the comments of all my videos. I build future content based around them. This industry can absolutely change lives. It changed mine, but only if people enter it informed, protected, and aligned. I appreciate your time. I'll see you in the next video, and I will see you at the top.